Hi and welcome to Oakland, California. Here we are, we're in front of the Front Gallery in Oakland, where last night we had the opening of mine and Ben Sloat's show, Half Asian. So this is what the gallery looks like. Let's go on in and take a look. So here we are. We've got some of the very large heads from the Half Asian Portrait Studio, where we're shooting people in 3 different ways, looking more Asian, looking neutral, and looking more Western. Wonderful. Now we'll have a look at some of the other work. This is our new video piece. It's called Offspring. The idea of the piece is 2 of the people we shot from the Half Asian Portrait Studio are morphing into each other. Over here we have another piece, which is a piece made of the images that I used to make the morph piece. So in it, we have the portraits of people from the Half Asian Portrait Studio, and then the green lines are the lines that I used to morph the faces using a computer program. What's interesting is during the opening, people came in and were staring at these, assuming that this was some type of scientific study of exactly what races people are looking at, what racial features people are looking for in one another. So it's really interesting seeing them working with this. What's interesting as well is we've designed this so that it looks like the bodhisattvas that you might find in multiple Asian cultures dealing with Buddhism and the icons of Buddhism. These images are the porcelain series. They are obviously on these light boxes so that they have this kind of glowing effect, and all of them are half Asian people, and we've set them up in various environmental situations dealing with various parts of Asian and Western hybrid notions. For example, in this image of Kara with her mother, you can see how her mother is so stiff and standoffish while she's so loving and compassionate. In the background you can see all of these Asian icons that have been set up in this multiple mirrors effect. So we're looking at kind of the dynamic of place and a sense of identity all in one time. Last night during the opening of Half Asian here at the Front Gallery, we did another shoot of the Half Asian Portrait Studio where people came in and I shot them on this white background. Anyone who was half Asian came in. There were a number of half Asian people who came in last night, so we already have a number of new portraits. This is going to be of the same style of the big images over here. So the people who came in, I'm not going to make huge prints for them, depending upon how the images come out. I'll probably have 8x10s for them at the next opening here at Front Gallery. One of the new pieces for the Half Asian project is this karaoke performance space, where in the background I have Japanese style wrapping paper, and I have these green tatami mats. We have this spinning ball, and last night during the opening people were welcome to come in and sing karaoke songs which were projected across this big backdrop, and we were interested in a number of different issues, including exactly what it is for Japanese culture to be processed this way in kind of a hybrid idea. The entire piece is called Trinitite, which is the name of the glass that was made after the bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. When the bombs dropped, they hit the sand and made this glass from the extreme heat that glowed in the dark. And so last night I also scattered all of these glow sticks all around the ground, and people came in and sang karaoke, and it was a great party, and I think a lot of them rethought exactly what Japanese culture is and how it melds with Western culture. That's it for now.